Self-hosted WordPress 101. Self-hosted WordPress Docker. Self-hosted WordPress refers to the practice of hosting a WordPress website on your own server or hosting provider rather than using wordpress.com's hosting service. With self-hosted WordPress, you have full control over your website's files, data, and configuration, allowing for greater flexibility and customization. Here are some key aspects of self-hosted WordPress. 1. WordPress.org versus WordPress.com. WordPress.org is the website where you can download the WordPress software for self-hosting. WordPress.com, on the other hand, is a hosting service provided by Automatic, the company behind WordPress. While WordPress.com offers convenience and ease of use, self-hosted WordPress provides more control and flexibility. 2. Web hosting. To host a self-hosted WordPress website, you need to sign up for a web hosting service. Web hosting providers offer server space and resources to store your website files and make them accessible on the internet. There are many web hosting companies that offer WordPress-specific hosting plans optimized for performance and security. 3. Domain name. In addition to web hosting, you'll need to register a domain name for your website. The domain name is the address that people use to access your website, example www.yourwebsite.com. You can register a domain name through a domain registrar or through your web hosting provider. 4. Installation. Once you have a web hosting account and domain name, you can install WordPress on your server. Many web hosting providers offer one-click installation options for WordPress, making it easy to set up your website. 5. Customization. With self-hosted WordPress, you have full control over your website's design, functionality, and content. You can choose from thousands of free and premium WordPress themes to customize the look and feel of your website, and you can install plugins to add additional features and functionality. 6. Maintenance. Self-hosted WordPress websites require regular maintenance to keep them secure and up-to-date. This includes updating WordPress core, themes, and plugins, performing regular backups, monitoring for security vulnerabilities, and optimizing performance. 7. Support. While self-hosted WordPress offers more control, it also means you're responsible for managing and maintaining your website. However, there is a vast community of WordPress users and developers who provide support and resources to help you troubleshoot issues and learn how to make the most of your WordPress website. Overall, self-hosted WordPress is a powerful and flexible platform for building and managing websites, offering full control over your online presence and the ability to create a custom website tailored to your needs. If you're comfortable with managing your own hosting and website maintenance, self-hosted WordPress can be a great choice for your website.